The following segment is sponsored by the Utah Restaurant Association. From premium extra virgin olive oils to rich balsamic vinegars, Mountain Town Olive Oil in Park City offers everything you need to elevate your cooking. Let's take a look.
Taste Utah Bites on Fresh Living. We are coming to you from historic Main Street, Park City. We've partnered with the Park Record and their Winter Adventure Guide to bring you some of the greatest places that you can go on tasting adventures. We're at Mountain Town Olive Oil, where they actually are infusing some of their oil into local restaurants. We're going to go talk to Jessica and find out where we can try it. Jessica, it is so fun to be in your store.
Thank you so much for coming.
Right, it is, I mean, there's so much decadence around. Now, for people who don't know where Mountain Town is located on historic Main Street, will you let them know?
We're near the corner of Heber and Main,
Okay.
613 Main Street on the upper level. We have a store full of good taste, so
I
there's
love it.
something for everyone.
And really, your store is about tasting as well as buying, which is really fun.
It's tasting, buying, experiencing. We want people to really experience the product before they buy it so they know when they get it home, they'll enjoy it.
I love it. So well said. Okay, so what do you have for us?
Today we are sampling for you our spiciest olive oil, the
Okay.
Baklouti green chili olive oil. This is a fused olive oil made in Tunisia from green chilies that kind of tastes like hatch green chilies, but a lot hotter, paired with the peach balsamic.
Ooh, okay, so dip and dip.
Dip and dip.
Okay.
Dip first in the oil, then the vinegar.
Okay.
The Baklouti is the oil that was used in the Palomino cocktail. I met Ashley, the director of beverages at Palomino this summer, and we did a tasting. We tried a few different things, and this is the one she landed on. They have made it into the most beautiful cocktail.
I love it.
We did not cheat cocktail. It does have a little residual heat
Yeah.
in it, but you really get the flavor of this oil in the cocktail.
I love it. And the heat even in that oil is, it is there, but it's balanced. It's like kind of spreads through the palate, which is really nice. And then it's countered with that sweet peach.
Yes. Next up, I have the mushroom sage olive oil with the Neapolitan herb balsamic.
Ooh.
This is great for roasts. If you are making soups or
Yeah.
casseroles, the combination is fantastic for steaks or chicken.
Yeah.
Just so many different things you can use.
I'm
with these.
thinking even like risotto. You make a lovely risotto and just pour a little of that, like a drizzle over the top.
A drizzle over the top.
It is so good. Okay,
Exactly.
moving on because we want to talk about this.
Yes. So this is just sparkling soda water.
Okay.
I personally like to put a little white balsamic vinegar in the sparkling soda water.
Okay.
My personal favorite is coconut, followed by the grapefruit.
Ooh, I love it.
So you can just do it
Pour
to your
all in.
taste.
Okay. This is like almost like a mocktail. This is like a
Mocktail.
sophisticated sparkling water.
Exactly.
Ooh, I love it. Smells amazing. Oh, that's so good.
And if you want more of the flavor of the vinegar, you just add more.
Oh, it's so smart. And then tell us just a little bit really quick about what else is going on in this beautiful store, because there's so much.
Oh, thank you. Yes, we have a wide selection of white balsamic vinegars that you've just tried, dark balsamics, flavored olive oils, spices, gourmet foods. It's really a store for people who like to cook
Yes.
and like flavor. We have a whole section on gifts on the other side of the shop. We offer cooking demonstration classes during the winter and summer. People can come back in with their empty bottles. We offer discounts on refills.
That's so wise. I love food. I love cooking. I love to taste the different kind of infusions that you're doing. You're very clever, very innovative. I'm going to invite you. You have to come up here. You have to meet Jessica. You want to try as many olive oils as they'll let you, and just really take in all of the dynamic ways you can enjoy vinegars, olive oils. Thank you so much. I cannot believe how good this is.
Thank you so much for coming in.
Cheers.
Cheers.